everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung One UI Home as stopped on Samsung Galaxy. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon and restart your device and see if that solves the problem. You can also head over to your settings on your device. Once you're here, scroll down, tap on software update and update your device to the latest version. If the issue still persists, try heading over to your power button and long pressing on your power button. Once you're here, long press on power off and boot your device into safe mode and see if the issue still persists over there. If the issue persists over there as well, what you can do is head over to your about phone. Once you're inside about phone, head over to reset and then hit reset factory data reset. However, do remember to back up your files before you try and do this. What you can also do is head over to your settings. Once you're here, tap on apps, head over to search and then search for system UI or Samsung UI and then tap on the system. Once you're here, scroll down, tap on storage and clear the cache of your system UI. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.